In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to report a scam on Telegram. Keeping your account safe starts with knowing exactly how to flag suspicious activity so Telegram's team can take action quickly. I'll walk you through the InfoApp report, the official scam bot, and how to escalate with email if you need to provide more detail. First, open Telegram. If you are dealing with a suspicious private chat, open that conversation. If it's happening in a group or a channel, open the group or channel's info page so you are looking at the place where the scam occurred. That context helps the report go to the right place. Next, look to the top right and tap the three-dot menu. Choose Report, then select Scam. You may be asked to confirm or add a short note. Keep it concise and factual. What happened, what was promised, and any clear red flags like requests for money, crypto addresses, or links to off-platform payment pages. Submitting this flags the chat, group, or channel for review, which is often the fastest way to curb ongoing harm. If the issue involves phishing, a fake account, or someone impersonating a person or brand, use the official scam bot. In the Telegram search bar, type the handle for the scam bot and open it. Follow the prompts and choose the option to report impersonation when that applies. The bot will guide you to share key evidence, like screenshots and usernames. Avoid forwarding malicious links. Screenshots or copied text are safer and still useful. Include the profile link of the account you are reporting if you have it. And briefly explain how it's fake or deceptive. For complex cases like coordinated scams, payment proof, or multiple accounts, you can also reach out to Telegram's abuse team by email. Use the official abuse contact listed on Telegram's website. In your message, include clear screenshots, the relevant usernames, profile or message links, and the chat ID if you know it, plus dates and times. The clearer and more organized your evidence, the easier it is for reviewers to verify and act. A few quick tips while you report. Don't engage with the scammer further, and don't send them any personal information. Keep your evidence intact. Avoid deleting the conversation until your report is submitted. If you are worried about account security, consider enabling additional security features in your Telegram settings after you've filed your report. That's it. Thanks for watching.